Ndugamano ya ihinda igi mutaratara wa ugai wa kigina gatagati ga thirikari cia kaunti no ithiite na mbere kuoya mwerekera mweru muthenya thutha wa ugi. Guku moritu maria maumanite na ndugamano ino mathiite na mbere kuiguika makaunti-ini kumana na gutharara kwa motungata matiganite na wagi wa kigina. Ni kumana na undu uyu kaja magavana yaniriire kuhinga motungata mothe makaunti-ini kurumirira kwaga kuoneka gwa kihonia kia ndugamano ino. Kuria kuhitukira ndumiriri ya muikariri gito wa kaja ya magavana Wycliffe Oparanya augite kwambiriria muthenya wa ruciu thibitari ciothe cia makaunti itikamukira arwaru eru no indi nikaheana urigiti munini kuri arwaru aguka na kuinuka. Riri aruti wira othe makaunti-ini mathitwo kuoya rutha rwa kiahinya rwa thiku 14.
We operate, Madam Speaker, with the counties themselves that have to tell us how much on-source revenues they are collecting. These hospitals that is purporting to shut down collect resources daily. What are those resources doing, Madam Speaker?
It is about time that this House stand firm and defend devolution. Because if we have such characters, they will never defend devolution. In fact, they'll be thinking about becoming president if they cannot even run their own counties. What about this country?
Itua riri na kuri guo ria mukiritwo na uregani munene bunge-ini ya seneti guku maseneta ingi marigwetete ta mugaru na watho. Ni iguru riu guo makauga rionanitie kinyuriri kuri President Uhuru Kenyatta uria muthenya wa ira ureranire kuongerera kigina kiria kigayagirwo makaunti na muigana wa ciringi bilioni 53 ari igere-ini ria gwetha kihonia kia ndugamano ino ya kigina.
Sisi tunamwambia kwamba hospitali zetu zitaendelea, na kusema hospitali zitafungwa alisikia wapi? Kusema ya kwamba ati huduma zitafungwa katika kaunti zetu alisikia wapi?
And we want to assure the country that the standoff in this House has paid tremendous dividends to the people of Kenya. And they will live to remember this House, that the standoff has extracted money from the executive to the purse of the counties for greater development.
Magavana Alfred Mutua wa Machakos na Mutahi Kahiga wa Nyeri nimaniriire kunyita mbaru murugamo uyu wa kaja ya magavana na kuhinga kaunti ciao kwambiriria ruciu. Riri kamiti ya maseneta 12 ikoretwo ikiaraniria niguo gwetha kihonia kia ndugamano ino itariirie mwihoko wa kugia na kihonia muthenya wa ruciu riria magacemania kurumirira kuongererwo gwa kigina kiria kigayagirwo makaunti hindi ya mucemanio uria uretitio ni President Kenyatta.
Siku ya kesho sisi tutakubaliana na tukupitisha pesa ambazo zitakuwa zikienda county.
By tomorrow we shall be having white smoke, and it will be a win-win for all Kenyans and of all senators and the counties that we have, Madam Speaker. The chair of Council of Governors and the Council of Governors, and we want to advise the EACC and DPP, let them put them on the radar, especially when they continue to misuse our resources.
We have no doubt whatsoever if the meeting at State House, which Governor Oparanya attended and whose content and discussion he appears to have forgotten, by midday, we will have some white smoke. I have no doubt, Madam Speaker.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitogo Moura, Wagunya.